Welcome to our channel Quaint Cosmos. Today we are going to discuss an exhilarating topic which you would find in the field of fluid mechanics. The topic is sonic boom. Especially if you study compressible flow, then in that case you would get this topic sonic boom. Sonic boom. What is sonic boom? Sonic boom is nothing but a loud noise or loud sound. You may have noticed this sound when a supersonic jet approaches toward you. In that case you won't get any loud noise, but when the supersonic jet is just overhead or it is moving away from you, means it is crossing just your head, okay, it is moving away from you, in that case you may have noticed this sound. It is a sound but it is loud. It is a loud sound, and this loud sound is known as sonic boom, and this happens only in case of supersonic speeds. Supersonic speeds, how this is defined? You know, sound waves move through air at a particular speed, and this speed of sound waves moving through the air depends upon the pressure and temperature. Okay, pressure and temperature. And normally this speed is around 343 meter per second, or almost 1200 kilometer per hour. Almost, perhaps it is 1235 kilometers per hour. You may convert this 343 meter per second in terms of kilometer per hour. You would get the value. So when an object moves with this speed, that is 343 meter per second, means the speed of the object is equal to the speed of sound wave through that medium. In that case, one dimensionless number is defined known as Mach number. So it is said that the object is moving with Mach number 1 when the object is moving with the same speed as the speed of sound through that medium. I am talking about right now air. So through air the speed of sound is 343 meter per second. This is the average speed. Okay. Though I have already mentioned that this speed depends upon the pressure and temperature of air. Anyway, so I was talking about a sonic boom. So when an object crosses this speed, means when an object moves faster than the speed of sound through that medium, in that case this sonic boom is heard. Sonic boom is produced and heard. What happens actually? Let us consider one aircraft moving at a supersonic speed. Supersonic speed means faster than the speed of sound. Okay, so in front of the aircraft, the front part of the aircraft is known as nose. So in between, in the close proximity of the nose of aircraft, there is a formation of shock wave. Okay, and between the shock wave and the nose of the aircraft, the air is compressed drastically. So there is a vast change in pressure as well as vast change in, means a large change in pressure and large change in velocity. Means you can say that, fluid mechanics is based on the principle of continuum approach. So there is a breakdown of continuum approach. Continuum hypothesis is lost in that region of shock wave because there is a drastic change in the pressure and velocity of the air. So what happens? There is a vast release of energy, and this release of energy is sudden, and due to this sudden release of vast energy, that loud noise is produced, and that loud noise is known as sonic boom. So normally passenger aircraft, those aircraft do not move with the supersonic speed. They normally move with a subsonic speed, means less than the speed of sound. Because sonic boom sonic boom may disrupt the daily life of human beings. Just below the aircraft, the human beings may get disturbed. Even buildings, windows, everything may get disturbed. They may get damaged by that loud noise or sonic boom. Okay, At present, NASA and other organizations are working on this. They are trying to develop a supersonic aircraft, but the target is not to produce that extra sound or sonic boom. That is, they are trying to develop quieter supersonic aircraft. If this becomes possible, then in future you can travel in aircraft with supersonic speed. Okay, and there is no upper limit of supersonic speed. Though normally, if Mach number crosses 5, in that case, that speed is known as hypersonic. Anyway, we are not talking about here different velocities. We are talking about only the sonic boom in this video. So sonic boom is what? It is nothing but a loud noise, and it is produced only by supersonic aircraft or supersonic any object. But the intensity of the sound wave, intensity of the sound heard by you standing on the ground depends upon the altitude of the aircraft. If the altitude is more, then in that case intensity of sound will be less. If the size of the aircraft is much, in that case intensity of sound wave will be much. Okay, means this sonic boom, the intensity of the sonic boom depends upon the size, shape and altitude or the distance from you. Okay, even when bullets, bullets, they move normally at supersonic speeds, they also produce sonic booms, but normally those sonic booms are not felt by our ear because the size of the bullets are so small. Okay, our ears cannot sense that sonic boom in the case of bullets, though bullets move normally at supersonic speeds. Anyway, so I have already mentioned, I have already discussed what is supersonic boom, then what is the reason behind this. Okay, reason is whenever the sound barrier is crossed by an object, in that case this sonic boom is produced. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic. So and this sound, this is normally compared, this sound is normally compared with thunders. Means thunderous sound is heard. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic, and this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.